Hi there, we're going to pick up where we left off in the last video, which is finding out how much interest we have saved by paying off this loan early. So we are using this formula here that I've starred in red. The interest saved is your total payback. So how much you would pay back if you were to do the entire loan for the entire length, not be paying off early, minus how many previous payments you've made all added up, plus your final payment. So in order to do that, you need to know how much your monthly payment was. Each monthly payment, we are told here, is $106.56. So to find our interest saved, it's our total payback. So originally, we would have our monthly payments of $106.56 times how many total payments? It is a 12-month loan times 12. So that takes care of total payback. Minus the sum of previous payments, we have paid $106.56 four times because we're talking about the after the fourth payment here. So we're going to take that 106.56 and multiply it by 4. Plus, we are going to add on that final payment amount that we found in Part A when we decided to pay off that loan early. So it looks like a lot going on there, but luckily we can have Desmos do all of that for us. So let's carefully type all of that in. 106.56 times 12, close your parentheses, minus, start new parentheses, 106.56 times 4 for the first 4 payments, plus 824.20 for that final payment. What we find here is that when we pay that off early, we save $28.28 in interest. So it's kind of a personal decision up to you if that's a significant amount, if it's worth it, or if you'd rather just be able to extend things for the full length of the loan. The last bit of what we're going to talk about in this lesson deals with finance charges, and we will be using this table here. Annual percentage rate APR is a big factor in what's going on in the table here. Hopefully, like I said, you've read through this already. Let's dive into the examples here. Paul obtained a $1,500 installment loan to buy a racing bicycle. The finance charge is $146.25, and he will repay the loan 18 monthly payments. So first we want to find the finance charge per $100. So we're using this formula right here. So the finance charge per $100 is going to be $100 times the finance charge. So we find that in our problem, $146.25 divided by the amount financed. That is the amount of the loan, $1,500. So let's have Desmos do that calculation for us. Be very careful about typing in the correct number of zeros. And as always, division key to get that fraction. So we get $9.75. That is not our total finance charge. That's just how much finance charge we have per $100 of our loan. To find the APR, we are going to take that $9.75 and look in our table. We know that we are making 18 monthly payments, and the amount we are dealing with is $9.75. So in this row for 18 payments, our term is 18 months. So here we go. What is the closest number to $9.75? It's right here, $9.77. So to find our APR, we look up. Our APR here is 12%. So you're often not going to find the exact amount. Find the amount in the table that is closest, and then look up to the top to find your APR. So APR here is 12% because in our term of 18 months, $9.77 was the closest amount to our finance charge of $9.75. Last one. Francesca took out a 6-month loan of $800 to art supplies. The finance charge is $24.64. So to find the finance charge per 100, just like before, it's going to be 100 times the finance charge, $24.64, divided by the amount of the loan, $800. Those most help you with the calculations. And we get $3.08 for our finance charge per $100. To find the APR, this time we are looking at a 6-month loan, and our finance charge is $3.08. So looking in our 6-month row, we actually find exactly 308 there. That doesn't always happen. If not, find the amount that's closest and look up to our percentage rate at the top of the column there is 10.5. So the APR for this loan this time is 10.5 or 10.50%, however you want to think of it. That is it for this lesson. Have a fantastic day.